Welcome to the Video Studio Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to generate AI voiceover. Go to the left menu and click on the AI voiceover. Click on Create New Voiceover. Select your language. Enter your voice title. Choose Voice Creator out of the options. Select Voice Output Volume from the drop-down. Select Speaking Volume from the drop-down. Insert your text. Click on Generate Voiceover. You can play your AI voiceover. Voiceover, also known as off-camera or off-stage commentary, is a production technique where a voice of the narrative. You can download AI voiceover into your device. You can view your voiceover details. You can edit your voiceover. You can delete the AI voiceover. Thanks for watching the video.